Right now we at QT. You know what I'm saying? Finna get into another car meet. Other one was trash. Yeah, but you can see, I can tell it's jumping outside. I'm for it when we, you know what I'm saying, when we get out there. It's a slam super out there. That'd be hard. Yeah, I do gotta pee. I gotta fucking piss. I gotta piss. Probably. Ooh, tight.
What good YouTube?
I'll probably go.
We got done with another car.
Probably.
To this other one because the other one was kind of dead.
Probably finna get some Oreos. I don't even really know.
We left it there.
Yeah.
So you know what I'm saying? We go ahead.
I love my body. I got ooh, tight.
Get back at y'all.
Looking for snacks right now. I'm gonna hit y'all back up when we get back to the car. Right now we're just trying to find some snacks. Yeah, I'm about to go to the back. What? Damn. I might get these $4 for 2 cookies. Yeah. Boy, short. We're at this little car meet. You know what I'm saying?
With no bumper.
Yeah, bitch. Talking about some. Hey. I'm gonna show y'all my whip. Let me over there. I don't know what he look at his face. I don't know what he look like.
Yeah, we get the air. It's a guy with a price of $300. And he got an
The
SRT.
exact car that Eli won. I'm talking about the
exact
exact car.
I'm talking about color to the engine again.
Down to the trim. Oh, that's him right here, Elijah. He walking to it. Wait. Yeah, he walking to it. That's him.
Niggas finna leave.
Shoulda got to him, nigga. Nigga about to pull off. What the fuck? They got some cool shit. We got some Volkswagens, some shit, Meros, slight shit. Hopefully my camera wasn't putting down this whole time. Tweaking. Some people got underglows on like Chargers and Camaros and shit. I ain't gonna be fucking with that. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna get back with y'all. You know what I'm saying? So y'all some more shit. Eli trying to figure out what he's trying to do with that Chrysler. Eli wanted that Chrysler so bad, bro. Okay, he talking to him or whatever. You know what I'm saying? It's hard as fuck though.
This is number nigga. It's a white nigga in it. What the fuck? Do all the white toy?
Yeah.
Type shit.
But you know, my car over here. Yeah, he said.
Well, he not leaving.
What he say?
He was like, so basically he got that shit from Auto Atlanta Autos.
Yeah, he bought it like that.
Yeah, he bought it like that, but not off the not manufactured though. He didn't get it from he didn't get it from Chrysler like themselves. He was saying he basically bought a newer.
Yo, I just telling Eli like, bro, I probably got the best car in Covington, but bro, when you get to like the Atlanta scenery, bro, you realize my car is fucking ass, dog. I got no mod. It's just a plain scat with a wide body, which is hard. Don't get me wrong, that shit is hard, and that shit getting some looks. But when you get around these other niggas, bro, that got that shit modded and shit, like damn, I ain't got nothing. Now my shit sound good with the muffler on, but I gotta cut that bitch off, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta cut that shit off. It's a Corvette.
Oh my god, look at his tail lights.
That's what I'm getting next. I'm getting that Corvette next, y'all. But yeah, when you getting that scenery, you be like, yeah, your shit really not that tough. I gotta up my shit, like for real. I gotta up my shit for real. You know what I'm saying? It's hard too, this green shit right here. Mexicans be having that, bro. I don't know what these Mexicans do for bread, but they be having that motherfucking paper, dog. I'm talking about. I seen that slammed. I seen that slammed Supra. It probably is. I ain't gonna lie, you're gonna be mad if you're not here because it's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot.
I ain't gonna call him. He not here. I know you're not here.
Nah, he had a crib.
He had a crib.
He is.
He ain't here.
Cause he'll be, bro.
He missed it.
Footage, bro.
It is.
But you have Chrysler, Scat.
You missed it. I'm gonna show you this footage too. You missed it. It's probably up there with the other one.
Yeah, I ain't gonna. I gotta get all of this. Look at this.
You missed it. We got the QT lineup. You know what I'm saying? Over here. QT lineup. Then when you walk over here, you have a whole nother lineup of a lot of cars. You got the Scat sitting pretty right there. Some Miros. Whole nother type of car. I got a Scat right now, you guys, but I want this vet, dog. This shit so hard, boy. This motherfucker so hard. Wait, that's coming next, bro. Ain't gonna lie. Can y'all see me in a motherfucking vet? I'll pop out in a vet. Niggas gonna hate, boy. They gonna be so shitty. They gonna be so shitty, bro. That bitch hard.
I'm gonna go like this. It's a Toyota Camry.
Yeah. That's a V6, bro.
He had to do that shit.
You gotta do some type of mod. I wonder where that Slam Supra went. That nigga left. That shit was hard as fuck. That shit was hard. That shit was hard. That shit was hard. That nigga car been running since we got here. That blue Hemi. He wasn't a track. Tracky. Daytona. These hard, yeah. These hard too. Good scenery. Yeah, there's that other one. See that girl with the horns on her head in front of us?
Yeah. Good work.
Yeah.
It is cool stuff.
It is. I'm just showing y'all this hard right here. And Bo got a goddamn. This is tough.
Hold up. Supercharged.
This is tough. Oh, we got this. Hey, about to break down. They got a Slam Nissan. That's on the ground. It's hard though. Dang, is it over with? Let me back the fuck up if I get my ass hit. Let me back the fuck up. 30 seconds, that's all I needed. That's all I needed.
That's all I needed. Oh, God. Oh, God.
That's all I needed. I know he about to come back.
Fuck the game. Fuck the
I hope this bitch ain't to my phone for the goddamn car. I hope it's goddamn getting this sound. He got bread for tires. I don't. Oh yeah. Nah, he be getting down.
He do.
He be getting down. Let me turn my goddamn car off. I think he out. So it. Ah, he left and came back.
I hope this car keeps sitting like all year round.
It always. It always is.
Every mouse nigga car.
Apply pressure brake.
I don't know if y'all can see it. I don't think y'all can see it.
Press and hold. Okay, where the fuck okay at? I'm gonna go right here. Continue to hold the carriage, release brake. And here we go.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Take off with the boys, fucking. Oh, shit, y'all.
Drive northwest.
Okay.